Hey, this is English Explained, and we're digging into idioms with 100 food-related phrases in alphabetical order to easily find what you're looking for. So buckle up and let's roll. A bad apple. One bad person who negatively influences others. One rude teammate was a bad apple, ruining the group's vibe. A piece of cake. Something very easy to do. That quiz was a piece of cake. I finished in 10 minutes. Apple doesn't fall far from the tree. A child is similar to their parent. He's stubborn, the apple doesn't fall far. Apple of my eye. Someone cherished or loved deeply. My daughter is the apple of my eye. As cool as a cucumber. Very calm and composed under pressure. She stayed cool as a cucumber during the debate. As easy as pie. Extremely simple or effortless. Baking cookies is as easy as pie for her. Bad egg. A dishonest or unreliable person. Don't trust him. He's a bad egg who lies. Best thing since sliced bread. A great invention or idea. This app is the best thing since sliced bread. Big cheese. An important or influential person. She's the big cheese in our company now. Bite off more than you can chew. To take on more than you can handle. I bit off more than I could chew with 3 jobs. Bread and butter. The main source of income or a basic staple. Freelancing is my bread and butter. Bring home the bacon. To earn money for the household. He works overtime to bring home the bacon. Bun in the oven. Being pregnant. She's got a bun in the oven. Butter someone up. To flatter someone to gain favor. She buttered up the boss for a promotion. Butter wouldn't melt in their mouth. Appearing innocent, but possibly not. She looks sweet, like butter wouldn't melt. Cakewalk. An easy task or victory. The game was a cakewalk for our team. Chew on it. To think something over carefully. Let me chew on it before deciding. Chew the fat. To chat or gossip casually. We chewed the fat over coffee yesterday. Churn out. To produce something in large quantities. They churn out burgers like crazy. Cook someone's goose. To ruin someone's plans or chances. Missing the deadline cooked his goose. Cook up a storm. To prepare a lot of food or do something energetically. She cooked up a storm for the party. Cool beans. An expression of approval or excitement. You got tickets? Cool beans. Couch potato, a lazy person who sits around a lot. He's a couch potato every weekend. Cream of the crop, the best of a group. These students are the cream of the crop. Crunch time, a critical moment requiring effort. It's crunch time before the deadline. Cry over spilled milk, to regret something that can't be changed. Don't cry over spilled milk, just retake the test. Cupcake, a term of endearment or something cute. You're such a cupcake for helping. Cut the mustard, to meet expectations or perform adequately. His work didn't cut the mustard. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. Don't assume success before it happens. Don't count your chickens yet, the deal's not final. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Don't risk everything on one plan. Invest wisely, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Dough in the pocket, having money. He's got some dough in his pocket now. Drop like a hot potato, to quickly abandon something risky. She dropped the idea like a hot potato. Eat crow, to admit you were wrong, humbly. He had to eat crow after losing. Eat humble pie, to apologize or admit fault. She ate humble pie after her mistake. Egg on your face, to be embarrassed by a mistake. He had egg on his face after forgetting his lines. Fish out of water, feeling out of place. I felt like a fish out of water there. Flat as a pancake, very flat or uninteresting. The landscape was flat as a pancake. Food for thought, something to think about. Her speech gave me food for thought. Forbidden fruit, something tempting but off limits. That secret file is forbidden fruit to us. Full of beans, energetic or lively. The kids were full of beans at the party. Go bananas? To go crazy or get very excited. The crowd went bananas when she scored. Go fry an egg, a dismissive way to tell someone to go away. Annoyed, he said, go fry an egg. Gravy train, an easy way to make money with little effort. That side hustle is a real gravy train. Half-baked, poorly planned or incomplete. His half-baked idea flopped quickly. Hard nut to crack, a difficult problem or person to deal with. This puzzle is a hard nut to crack. Have a beef with someone, to have a complaint or issue with someone. I have a beef with her rude attitude. Have your cake and eat it too. To want two conflicting things. You can't have your cake and eat it. Choose one. Hot off the grill. Something fresh or new. This news is hot off the grill. Hot potato, a controversial or difficult issue. The budget cuts were a hot potato. In a jam. In a difficult or sticky situation. I'm in a jam with two conflicting meetings. In a nutshell, summarized briefly. In a nutshell, we need more funds. In a pickle, in a troublesome situation. She's in a pickle with no ride home. In hot soup, in serious trouble. He's in hot soup for missing the deadline. Jam-packed, very full or crowded. The concert was jam-packed with fans. Juicy gossip, exciting or scandalous news. She shared some juicy gossip today. Like chalk and cheese, very different from each other. They're like chalk and cheese as siblings. Like two peas in a pod, very similar or inseparable. Those twins are like two peas in a pod. Low-hanging fruit, easy opportunities or solutions. We tackled the low-hanging fruit first. Make a meal of it, to exaggerate or overdo something. He made a meal of a simple task. Meat and potatoes, the basic or essential parts of something. Let's get to the meat and potatoes of the meeting. Melt like butter, to soften or become agreeable quickly. He melts like butter with compliments. Milk it, to take full advantage of a situation. He's milking his injury for sympathy. Mince words, to soften or avoid direct speech. Don't mince words, just say it. Not my cup of tea. Something you don't like or prefer. Horror movies aren't my cup of tea. Nutty as a fruitcake. Crazy or eccentric. My uncle is nutty as a fruitcake. On a silver platter, given easily without effort. Success wasn't handed to her on a silver platter. One bad apple spoils the bunch. One bad influence can ruin a group. One bad apple spoiled the team's morale. One smart cookie, a clever or intelligent person. She's one smart cookie with great ideas. Out to lunch, unaware or not thinking clearly. He was out to lunch during the meeting. Packed like sardines, very crowded or tightly squeezed. The bus was packed like sardines. Peach of a deal, a really great deal or opportunity. That sale was a peach of a deal. Pepper with questions, to ask many questions rapidly. They peppered her with questions. Pie in the sky, an unrealistic dream or plan. His startup idea is pie in the sky. Popcorn flick, a light, entertaining movie. Let's watch a popcorn flick tonight. Ripe for the picking, ready and easy to take advantage of. That sale is ripe for the picking. Salad days, a time of youth or inexperience. In my salad days, I was carefree. Salt of the earth, a genuinely good, honest person. My neighbor is the salt of the earth. Sell like hotcakes, to sell very quickly. Those sneakers sold like hotcakes. Simmer down, to calm down or relax. Simmer down, we'll figure it out. Small potatoes, something insignificant or unimportant. That issue is small potatoes compared to this. Sour grapes, criticizing something you can't have out of jealousy. His complaints are just sour grapes. Spice things up, to make something more exciting. Let's spice things up with a new game. Spill the beans, to reveal a secret. She spilled the beans about the party. Stew in your own juices, to suffer from your own actions. Let him stew in his own juices. Stir the pot, to cause trouble or drama. She loves to stir the pot. Sugarcoat it, to make something seem better than it is. Don't sugarcoat it, just tell the truth. Sweet tooth, a love for sugary foods or desserts. I've got a real sweet tooth. Sweeten the deal, to make an offer more appealing. They sweeten the deal with a bonus. Take it with a grain of salt, to not take something too seriously. Take his advice with a grain of salt. Taste of your own medicine, experiencing what you've done to others. He got a taste of his own medicine. The cherry on top, an extra bonus that makes something perfect. The discount was the cherry on top. The icing on the cake, an additional benefit to a good situation. Her promotion was the icing on the cake. Too many cooks spoil the broth. Too many people ruin something. Too many cooks spoiled the project's plan. Toss your cookies, to vomit. The boat ride made her toss her cookies. Tough cookie? A resilient or strong-willed person. She's a tough cookie under pressure. Turn the tables. To reverse a situation. She turned the tables with a comeback. Walk on eggshells. To be very cautious around someone. I walk on eggshells around my boss. Warm the cockles of your heart. To make you feel happy. That story warmed the cockles of my heart. Whetting your appetite. Sparking interest or desire. This trailer is whetting my appetite. Worth your salt. To be competent or deserving of your role. Any good teacher is worth their salt. Thanks for sticking with us till the end. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.